Hi, it's Derek and we're back here at Hitchcocks today to take a look at some of the genuine accessories that are now available for the new Royal Enfield Meteor 350. So just to recap on the model range, the bike you're looking at is the entry bike, which is the Fireball, and it's easily distinguishable by the colour keyed rim tape which matches the colour of the tank on there and the black detailing on the exhaust pipe. The middle bike in the range is the Stella, and that has colour keyed mudguards front and rear and the two side panels and the airbox. And the top of the range is the Supernova, which has the dual tone paint and very easily distinguished also by the fact it has a touring windscreen, and that too will have the chrome mudguards, but it will be back to the gloss finish on the mudguards. Okay, so let's take a look at some of the items that are available for these machines. The first one, as I mentioned before, is the touring windscreen. Standard on the Supernova, but on the Fireball and the Stella, an accessory. So we have the touring windscreen, which is very functional, I think, doesn't detract from the look of the bike, looks really smart. And for those of you that don't like a larger screen, we've got this tinted smaller screen, which again I think is fabulous, particularly on this bike, because the colours tend to complement the black finish on the bike too, but I think that looks superb when it's on, and a personal favourite of mine. Because this bike is more of a cruiser bike, one of the items that's in the accessory range are these foot pegs, which are available for both the rider and the pillion, and they've got a broader surface area, and because of the seating position on the bike, it's nice to have a good platform to put your feet on. These are available in this colour, which is the black, or they're also done with the complementary silver colour which runs around the outside. So you've got a choice of two there, and they're available, as I say, for both sets of pegs. In terms of the pillion passenger, one of the things that I particularly like as well is this backrest. It replaces the grab rail that's already on there, which is a substantial piece of equipment. So this is exactly the same, but this time with a built-in backrest. It's got the backrest that sits at the back, and you have a choice. You have to order separately the actual backrest, which comes in brown or in black, depending on what your personal choice is. But again, really nice piece of kit for an accessory, very well made and substantial. Now, one of the things our customers are always asking us is about saddle comfort on every bike, because we're all different and we all appreciate, comfort when we're riding. I think the saddle as fitted from the factory is superb on this, but Royal Enfield also offer some genuine accessory upgrades as well. The first one they have is the touring seat. Again, another personal favourite of mine. It's nicely detailed with the stitching. It's got the Royal Enfield logo on it. Very supportive, looks fabulous. And again, that would complement any bike. The other saddle they have is the low rider, which is this one. Slightly different detailing. It doesn't have the Royal Enfield on, but it has some nice stitching and some nice piping on it. And, I'm sure we've all listened to you about ride height and everything else, so that gives you a number of options now. To complement these are available in black and brown, but there's also the pillion passenger pads as well, and they'll complement each of these seats. These are the particular ones for the tourer, available in the brown or the black, but there's also a complementary seat as well for the low rider. In terms of other coverings, if you don't fancy changing the seat on your bike, Royal Enfield offer these genuine accessories which are covers to go over your existing seat. So if you fancy changing the bike colour from a black to a brown, it's very easily achievable with these. They've got the ribbed pattern on the top, very easy to fit, and they look fabulous when they're on. They look fine. Anybody could do that in a few minutes of application. Very easy to fit. Personal favourite of mine, because I like scramblers, is the bash plate. I think on this Fireball it really enhances the look of it. I think it complements all the black work on there, and the machining on the cylinder head. This just helps pick that out as well. I love these. I think they're very purposeful, but they also are nice to look at on the bike. I think they enhance the look of it overall. So they're available now, and I'm sure they're going to be very popular. As ever with safety, customers are asking what crash bars are available. There are a whole host of these. They come in all different shapes and sizes. You can see just two of them here. These are available in both black and chrome. Very easy to fit and obviously purposeful. What you don't want to be doing is dropping your new bike. So they're available now. They're fabulous. Again, they look really well on the bike. So just a taste there of what's available from Royal Enfield by way of genuine parts and accessories. There's going to be more adding to the range all the while, so keep posted, keep looking at the site. Hitchcocks, as ever, will continue to develop new products to add and enhance to this bike. So again, they'll be available from our website, so stay posted, enjoy your new bike and ride safely.